Our exam system in Wales, in response to the current emergency, is fair for students and robust in what it measures and signals to employers and universities. However, governments in other parts of the United Kingdom have introduced changes to their systems, and we must make sure that these alterations do not disadvantage Welsh students. Students in Wales and prospective employers and universities across the UK can be assured that their A-level grades reflect their work and externally assessed exams. Almost half the final grade comes from AS level exams, and that is not the situation elsewhere. I am giving a guarantee that the final A-level grade cannot be lower than the AS grade. If a student receives a final grade tomorrow that is below that of their previous AS grade, then a revised grade will be issued automatically by the WJEC. This will mean, and I have received assurances from UCAS, that students can speak with confidence to their prospective universities. I have asked that Qualifications Wales, working with the WJEC, work closely with other qualification bodies to ensure that students in Wales are not disadvantaged by the changes elsewhere as a result of non-externally assessed work and exams. And I can also confirm that all appeals will be free for Welsh students to ensure that there is no financial barrier to ensure learners feel that their exam grades are fair. I understand that this is a testing time for all young people receiving their results tomorrow, but you should be proud of the hard work that you have done, and I want to wish you all the very best of luck for the future.